Hello, my friends. I have a fun folded to share with you, but first let me show you all of the new products and then I'm going to show you this one. Are you ready? Get set. Here we go. Let's look at that one first. It is a baby bib fold it, and I went a little crazy with this one because when I designed it, I had just found out my daughter was having a new baby girl, and let's turn this over because I want you to see how much is involved here. So we have not only a bunny for the bib, we have a ducky, not duck, right? It's a ducky. We have a kitty, we have a puppy, and we have a bear. Lots of options for your bib. And it has this fun little, this little scalloped edge. And you know what? I had so much fun doing this one, and the samples are adorable. So stay tuned for those. Then, because summer is coming, we need to get ready. We have a circle. We have the Happy Spring on our website, and we've had it there for a long time, and it's done really well. A lot of people love it, and we've had a lot of requests for the other seasons. So this one says Happy Summer, and it has some suns, and stay tuned for samples. Last but not least, speaking of a sun, this one has one as well. This is the Mini Slimline Double Daytime. So this is the daytime. Each Mini Slimline comes with two, so it's two pieces. So this one is grass on the bottom, fun little pinhole clouds on the top, and a cute little sun. Again, mix and match with your other Mini Slimline pieces, right? So exciting. Let's jump in and look at our Happy Summer first, because I know when you saw this, you're first like going, huh? Watch this. Are you ready? Get set. Let's look at this one first. It fits. Oh, yes, it does. You know this, right? I always make everything go together. This fits with our larger circle flip-its. So there we go. Look at that. Also would fit on the 5x7 circle. It would just be a little bit smaller. But there's our Happy Summer. There's one. Oh, stay. There's one. Stay. And then here's the other Happy Summer circle with the straight edges. Both work perfectly. Isn't that awesome? I love it. Now, it also fits perfectly. Are you ready for this? On the floral happy birthday drop-in. Look at this. You could do it horizontal. You could also do it vertical if you wanted to, but look how gorgeous that is. Oh, I love those flowers. And then you can use it just with the tilted rectangles if you want to. Mix and match it with other dies that you have. It will work wonderfully. Isn't that cute? I love that. Now, let's look at the Mini Slimlines. Here we go. Let's look at the Mini Slimlines. We have our cute little woodland stamp little guy there. Look how cute he is on his little tree stump. Sit a bit and enjoy the day. Sending you a bear hug. Isn't that sweet? There's one. Ooh, here's one using our birthday cats. Happy birthday. Now look at this. I just want you to see how different each and every one is, right? Happy birthday. There's another one. Same background die, different each time. Here's one that says another happy birthday. Let's put that one over there. Oh, look at this one. This one has extra piece on it. Here's one, life is beautiful. Let's put it down here. Life is beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? Lots of different options with the same die. Just changing the colors, right? Here, changing the colors. Absolutely beautiful. Each and every one, totally the same, but totally different, right? Totally. Here we go, baby bibs. This is the one I showed you in the beginning. Let me just tell you, baby Lila is doing wonderful. Here's another one, baby bib. Oh, look at those ribbons. Don't those look so pretty at the top? Look at those little guys. So you have the little bunny, you get the little ducky. Here's another one with the bunny. Because you know, I didn't know which animal you would want on the bib, so we got to do a lot. Here's a cute one. Congrats when somebody gets a brand new baby. How fun is that? God bless your new twins. Wah! Luckily, I only had one this time. Look at this one. Look at that little puppy sticking his little head out saying hello. Don't you just love that? The little kitty and the little bunny and the little ducky. I love them so much. That's so cute. Oh, look what Michelle did here. She actually made a little stuffy and put it on the front. It's that cute little bear head. Bear head, I love it. Bundle of joy. So cute. And last but not least, oh, and sorry, that's from the Creative Decks. That's the photo frame from the Creative Decks, because somebody's going to ask. Last but not least, here's a gorgeous one using the bubble background and the 5x7 card die. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Baby. Welcome, baby. Oh, God bless your new sweet bundle of joy. when you do the inside of the card, it just literally takes your card to the next level, doesn't it? Now, club members, you know the deal. Club discount every single day, every single item, every single order. So make sure you go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Yeah, you could buy these at regular price, but why would you want to? Why would you want to spend extra money when you don't have to? Go check out one of our clubs, thestampsoflife.com. Click on the join the club and just watch the video. That'll give you an idea of the 4 clubs that we have and the combinations of clubs that we have to earn the best discounts. You can earn up to 20% off every single day, every single item, every single order if you go to thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.